there has been signs of de-escalation, especially after the news that came yesterday. You just carried it saying that a ceasefire has been accepted by Israel. But at the same time, I just want to point out that the geopolitical premium in general this year has more or less been neglected to some extent by a lot of traders in the market, because we haven't seen any of this geopolitical premium, especially out of the Middle East, cause any disruption or change in supply. So yes, it's having some kind of sentiment effect on the prices, but in terms of fundamentals and impacting supply, we haven't seen that yet. And I think the market really is to some extent also wrongly assuming that this geopolitical risk is gone, especially after what we saw the leadership of Hamas being killed late last month. This can and still prompt a reaction from Iran. So this is something to bear in mind.
Yeah, and also what was happening even before this ceasefire talks, of the latest round of it anyways, was the market really pricing in the geopolitical risk premium? Because people were saying that the market is not going to move unless barrels are taken out of the market.
Sure. No, I think what's happening right now is that the market is mostly reacting to concerns over the macro. And you've rightly pointed it out that China has recently reported some weakening economic data. And this has a much bigger impact on the market than the geopolitical risk aspect, which is mainly related to sentiment. So China is something that we're watching very carefully. We already saw even the OPEC Secretariat, that never was very resistant in changing its demand numbers for this year, changed its demand numbers in the last report based on weakening demand from China.